Hi, my name is Jan Felber. I'm a business developer at DEIF Wind Power. In my job I see a lot of different levels of pain in the wind industry. A lot of asset owners complain of constraints due to rigid service agreements. My job is to find out how I can solve and ease their pains, providing them with the best possible retrofit solution for the given turbine brand. Our goal is to make turbines run better and extend their lifetime. I was once contacted by a major player in the wind industry with big parks on different kind of turbines. They were sick and tired of legal issues, lawsuits and downtime on lack of service on their turbines. And they asked if it was possible for us to make a retrofit solution that would ease all those pains. My simple answer was yes, of course. And we will most likely give you an AEP increase at the end.